8 Best Oils that rebuild your nerves. The nervous system is one of the key systems of the body, which is responsible for transmitting signals between different parts of the body and the brain. They play a crucial role in sensory perception, motor control, and overall communication within the body. Nerves consist of specialized cells called neurons that are capable of transmitting electrical impulses, allowing for the transmission of information throughout the body. Nerves can become damaged or injured due to various factors, including trauma, diseases, such as diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and nutritional deficiencies. Nerve damage can lead to symptoms like pain, numbness, tingling, weakness, and loss of function in the affected area. However, some oils and nutrients might have potential benefits for nerve health due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here are a few examples. Fish oil. Fish oil works as an anti-inflammatory and can repair nerve damage. Research has shown that fish oil can slow the progression of neuropathy and can even reverse it in some cases. It also promotes neuron outgrowth. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They are known to support overall cardiovascular health and could indirectly benefit nerve function by promoting good blood flow. Virgin coconut oil. Aside from its cuisine flexibility, numerous individuals are finding that coconut oil has benefits for the nervous system, like enhancing learning and memory capacity and safeguarding against dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is another source of omega-3 fatty acids, similar to fish oil. Omega-3s are considered essential for brain health and could potentially play a role in nerve health as well. Flaxseed oil is particularly sensitive to heat and can degrade rapidly if exposed to high temperatures. Use it in its raw state by adding it to foods after cooking or incorporating it into cold dishes. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is primarily composed of monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. These fats can support good blood circulation and cardiovascular health, which indirectly supports nerve function by ensuring proper blood flow to nerve cells. Its anti-inflammatory properties might contribute to overall health, including nerve health. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties could contribute to overall health, including nerve health. Avocado oil's relatively high smoke point also makes it suitable for cooking at higher temperatures compared to some other oils. E is a health booster, excellent for mind and spirit. It helps in maintaining the function of the brain and nervous system. Good for eyes, being a source of vitamin A and essential fatty acids. E helps in improving your eyesight and prevents certain, however, due to its high saturated fat content. It's advisable to consume E in moderation. Hemp oil. Hemp oil is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in an optimal ratio for health. These fatty acids are important for maintaining the structure of cell membranes, including nerve cells. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, have anti-inflammatory properties that could indirectly support nerve health by reducing inflammation in the body. It also has a relatively low smoke point. It's better suited for use in cold applications, such as dressings, dips, and spreads. Like chia oil, hemp oil should not be used for cooking at high temperatures. Chia oil. Chia oil is derived from chia seeds. which are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. ALA is a precursor to other omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, which are known for their benefits to brain and nerve health. Chia oil also contains antioxidants and other nutrients that might contribute to overall health. It's important to remember that individual dietary needs vary, and what works well for one person might not be suitable for another. A well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods, along with healthy fats, lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables, is generally recommended for overall health, including nerve health. If you have specific concerns about nerve health or any other health-related matter, it's best to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and circumstances. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel, Miss Healthy.